Okay, two laptops, MSI GS75 and MSI GF75. And we are testing today which one makes more noise. The same game, same performance, all high, and both of them plugged into the power, and we can hear that this one stealth thin MSI GS75 is just blowing the air very loud, and just feels like it's kind of the airplane. I think because the air holes are quite small, and then the airflow is just with the higher speed. Yeah. Oops. Cable. So yeah, this one for me sounds really loud and really annoying. I don't know if you can hear it. And this one is a bit quiet, way quiet, I would say. It's MSI GF75 thin, 95C. It's not that thin like the previous one, but still. Here, of course, there is maybe more space to flow for the air, and maybe the fans are a bit smaller. And you can hear that the sound is more not that high frequency range than the previous one. The frequency range is more lower, and it's not so annoying. Even when I'm standing here, I still hear this one more louder than that one. Yeah, maybe you can hear it here. Yeah. So yeah, it's not that loud comparing to this one. So yeah, that's my conclusion. And I even can try to go to the different room and see. Yeah. Now you can hear it more clear. And then this one. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope it will help you to choose the right one.